Okay, so what have you learned in this year with matter and density? We're getting close to the end of the unit here. Somebody said with the density paradox that temperature might have had something to do with that these blue bobs and whether they were floating or sinking. Okay, so we're going to try to address that a little bit here today with a couple experiments. This was our second experiment, or part B. Now here on this one, you have cold water sitting on top of hot water. Okay, so you have the blue is cold and the yellow is hot. Same thing here, but I switch them around to the hot water sitting on top of the cold water. So I'm wondering if I remove the plastic barrier in between the two liquids, what will happen to um, the situation? Will it change at all if the two liquids are allowed to come in contact with one another? We've thought about that for a little bit. Put your magic glasses on, hopefully. I think the answer to everything that we do always is in the magic glasses, okay? Looking at the magnified version of the cold, magnified of hot, think about what would happen if one sitting atop each other, what may happen. So let's see the answer to this. So on this one, let's see. Wow, look at that. Look at what? Nothing happened. Nothing happened. You might see maybe something happened a little bit at the surface because there's a little bit of space in there. Not this one. Nothing's going to happen to either one. They stay separated, right? They stay separated. Is that what we're seeing? No, we're seeing the blue rush down into the yellow and the yellow rush up. I would say that the yellow is floating and the blue is sinking. So why does the blue sink and the yellow float? And as they're passing by each other, they may be exchanging some energy. This one right now still feels really, really hot. This really feels really, really cold. Now when I put my hands around these feel both room temperature. Both room temperature. So now they're equal temperatures, and now we have produced green. Question is why did the blue, which was cold, sink, and the yellow, hot, float? Floating and sinking has to do with density. Put your magic glasses on and try to look at mass and volume on that.